In this lesson, we're going to look at a practical use of regular expressions, and that's to replace a set of substrings within a string using a method called replace all. So let's get started. We're going to call this program regex3.java. Our import statement comes first. Then we start the program. So for our example, I'm going to use my own name, which is frequently misspelled in several different combinations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of my family members in here with different ways that our last name is spelled. So that's the string we're going to try to match against. The pattern we're looking for is capital M, little c, big M. And we could go farther, but we'll just stop with that. We could have stopped at the C because MC is only going to match the last names, but that's all right. Then we compile our pattern and we create our match object with the string as the argument. Let's print the string as it is originally. Now here comes the key line in the code. We're going to reassign values to the string using replace all as a method of the match object. And we provide the argument the way we want the new substring to look. So notice that we matched through a space in our pattern, so our replacement string needs to also include the space. We use the space so that it'll stop right there in a match. So then once we're finished with that, print out the names again, and we close everything up. So let's save our program, compile it. Made a little typo, we'll fix that very quickly. Compile it, and then run it. So here are all the misspellings, IAN, EN, and IN, and there are all the substrings replaced with the correct spelling. So this is one of the best uses of regular expressions, using replace all to go through a complete string and make spelling corrections or other types of error correcting, whatever it is that you need. So that wraps up this lesson. This was a fairly brief lesson. And we're ready to move to the exercise for the chapter where I'm going to demonstrate a few more common uses of regular expressions.